Hey guys, it's Off-Roading Couple 4x4.
Today we're going to be reviewing the 75 litre dual zone fridge freezer from KICKASS.
Australian Direct.
Yeah. So, right now we're trying to run the freezer at -18 and the fridge at -0. Right now the fridge is at 4 degrees and the freezer's at -7. That's because we had it out in the sun. So the sun heated it up a fair bit and we just opened it and put some stuff in. So that'll be cooling down right now. And do you want to see what the freezer's pulling right out of the battery right now?
Alright, so the fridge is drawing about 4.5 amps right now.
Okay, that's not too bad considering it's cycling at the moment. So that should be cycling for about 40 minutes and we'll shut off, and then we'll give you another check on what it's drawing when it's not cycling, because obviously it'll be drawing a little bit from the LED display out the front. So we'll let you know what that is and then go from there. Okay, so the fridge is stopped cycling right now. On -18 for the freezer and 4 degrees for the fridge. And don't know if you can see that, but it's drawing 0 to 0.5 amps. So not much at all. And that's only because the LED display is on right now. But once that starts cycling again, it'll jump up to about 4 amps an hour. Just a quick video on the build quality of this fridge. It's pretty good, I reckon. Good solid latches, nice and thick seals, and these baskets are, you know, nice and thick steel. They're not going to break. What I really like is this control panel. Everything's really easy to use, and you also get a USB charging here and little 12-volt cigarette outlet. Then over here you get a flush mounted Anderson plug, which I really like, so nothing's sticking out anywhere, nothing like that. And then these tie down handles, really strong, spring loaded, not going to break, which is what you want. And it also comes with this bag, really good. You know, I don't think that's going to break either. It all feels real solid, nothing's going to break. Get a few pockets in here, which is where I just keep my watt meter. And I keep my cables in here when I'm not using the fridge. Yeah. Yeah, so build quality, nothing's going to break. So if you pick one up, I think you're going to be happy with it. And another thing is, I'm not affiliated with KICKASS or Australian Direct at all. I actually paid for this with my own money. So, you know, I just thought that I'd mention that in case you guys think that I'm being paid to do this review. I'm not. This is just how I feel about it. I'm pretty happy with it. It's doing its job. And yeah, I mean, so it should be, you know, these things aren't cheap, but they're worth it in the long run, I reckon. Okay guys, so all in all, I'm pretty impressed with this fridge. I had it running all night, just off the battery. I think the battery got to about 12.3 volts, so it's about 60%. It's not too bad. And then I just hooked up the solar panels in the morning, and that brought it up to 100 within an hour. So that solar panel is doing its job. Yeah, really impressed with the solar panel at the moment. It's probably impressing me the most out of all the gear. But you know, this fridge is doing its job as well. It's doing what I need it to do, which is make my food cold.